morning, everyone. Got a little something for you today. I just found out, back when I was with a company called Tradera a year ago, they had a major security breach. And didn't know about the breach until like a month later. They sent out a letter, blah 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 blah, and then I had a debit card for my checking account attached to that thing there, and I had to have the card stopped. And because of a security breach, there was like maybe 3,000 people involved in that deal. It wasn't just me; it was people around me. Anyway, long story short. Recently, I had forgotten all about a magazine that I was subscribed to, had the debit card for automatic renewal. Well, out of nowhere, it went through. No, I didn't know that. I forgot about it. Completely forgot about it. And this was recently that this happened. Well, it went through on the old debit card that had the security breach, which is against, that was it, it was stopped. Come to find out that my bank turned around and when they went through the automatic renewal, they can force the issue and actually do the renewal on that magazine on a stopped debit card, one that had a security breach. My bank says there's no way they can ever stop it from happening. Legally, I don't know. I'm not a lawyer, but come to find out, you gotta cover your ass. So those who have automatic withdrawals coming out of your business checking or your personal checking, and there's a security breach, you gotta be so damn careful. What I should have done, which I didn't think would have to be done, is also change the checking account number. Then there would not have been any way to get through. Now, back when I was a bank teller, actually a branch loan support person, one of these grunts that cleaned up messes from loan officers in the early 90s, if there was a breach like that, there was no way anything could ever get through. That was been it was closed. So, word to the wise guys, I got my money back from that magazine and reconfirmed it just a few minutes before I started this video that, yeah, they can force it even if there was a security breach on that particular credit card or debit card number, no matter what. So now here in the Ozarks, there's a bank called First Community Bank of the Ozarks, allows that kind of shit to go on. And so I don't tell you guys, gotta be careful out there. Just a little quickie, you guys might want to learn. And I will talk to you soon. And yes, everybody's gonna know this now because I am definitely publishing it.